archers, all willing to fight by your side.
I was wondering when you'd make your next appearance. Anathema is coming along very nicely, I must say. You must come to me as soon as it's complete. It's quite something, and I'm not easily impressed.
Tarquin's jaw tightens.
I dabble in all forms of learning, necromancy included. Can you really blame me for being talented? Can you really blame me when I'm forced to use my skills against my will? Who are you to judge me? Weren't you willingly trying to help those leeches? Those so-called gods? Their lust for power is the root of all misery in this world. But yes, I did it. I ushered Braccus Rex, the mad sorcerer king, back into the land of the living. I hope you'll admit, that is impressive. Dallis willed it, and I was in no position to refuse. She wanted to use Braccus to sniff out the Aetherin, to use a tyrannical king as a personal bloodhound, so she could get her hands on the most powerful purging device the world's ever seen. She thinks she can control him. She is wrong. A creature like him will find a way to break his shackles. He must be eradicated. That's why I sought the pieces of Anathema. It's the only thing that can slay him. What could possibly best the greatest act of necromancy ever performed? Reversing it. That's what. Here, take Anathema and keep it close. Without it, you are nothing to Braccus.